again, and it's kind of trailer. So if you guys want to see it, here it is. So right here is Mason. He is in. This is Mason. He used to be a YouTuber. This is Ricky.
Bro.
This is my Uncle Kyle's room. This is the bathroom. This is my grandpa's room. It's pretty dark. We have a cat named Tipsy. Just like she's my grandpa's cat. David, you want to say hi to the channel?
What channel?
Say hi.
Hi.
Mary, you want to say hi? This is a dog Buddy. He's really big. Hi, Buddy. Hi, boy. This is Tipsy. The black cat. Hard to see. The kitchen's right here. And then that's the couch. And then that's all for this video.